Okay, hi, I'm Ben Smith. I'm one of the partners here at Ecovis Wingrave Yeats, and I head up our financial markets specialism. Well, one of the most rewarding things for us as partners is to share in the success of those firms that have grown, that we've nurtured through infancy from startup. And this is particularly true in the financial markets industry, where these firms face increased regulatory burden. Whether this is a private equity venture, a niche asset manager, or a commodity broking platform, it's great to be able to share in their successes. Aside from a sound business plan, the success of these companies has often relied on a few common strands: patience, realism, and resourcefulness. Patience is so important in this industry. I've sat with customers that are flabbergasted that it can take 6 months for the FCA application process, and as such their haste has often caused inefficient decision making. So I would urge patience in this area and for them to really use this time valuably to set up the business. I would also encourage them to be realistic in their plans in terms of their capital requirements and their early business results. If the FCA spots something in their business plan that is unrealistic, it'll only prolong the application process. And finally, these firms are resourceful. I've been amazed by the expenses that some startup businesses get charged. Yes, you want good advice, yes, you want great support, but you shouldn't have to pay through the nose for it. For a new business, it's important that you surround yourselves with the right people, if that's in compliance, legal, or tax advisory. Crucially, you don't want to burn a hole in your pocket before you've even started to trade. Finally, I would advise anybody that's thinking about going it alone, simply that they're not alone. Feel free to pick up the phone to one of our guys, pop in for a coffee and a chat. It won't cost you anything, and if you can leave more informed than you arrived, it must have been worthwhile.